Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find Instagram contacts by phone number. Here is how to find new people on Instagram using their phone number. Save someone's phone number in your contacts list on your phone. First step is open your Instagram app and then go to profile page. Is the bottom right corner. Click on the three horizontal line. You will see the menu tab on our right top. And then tap setting, and next step is tap on follow and invite friends is the first option. You will see an option to connect with WhatsApp, email, by SMS, or invite friends by another Facebook, social media, any, or your phone number. Then choose follow contacts and then allow Instagram to extract your phone or Facebook contact list and allow access. And then new pop-up generate from Instagram. Allow Instagram to access your contacts. Yes, allow. And then again follow contacts. Here you will also see profile suggestions. If you connect Facebook, then first step is first option is connect Facebook. If you don't use this mobile number to register their accounts, you luckily would not be able to find them through the contact list. In that case, it's best of use the search option.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.